Hey guys, welcome to Tech is Guru. Today we'll be learning how to unregister for upcoming events on Google Play Store. And now let's dive right in. Now to unregister for any upcoming events on Google Play Store for which you had registered, first open up your Google Play Store app like this, and at the top right corner of the screen you can see a profile picture icon available for us. Tap on your profile picture icon at the top right corner of the screen, and this kind of interface will appear where you'll be required to tap on the settings button at the bottom of the screen. Tap on settings just above the help and feedback, and again tap on the general option over here. And when this menu appears, we'll be required to tap on the account and device preferences over here. Tap on account and device preferences, and on this interface, if you scroll down to the bottom of the list, you can see the button where it says unregister for upcoming events. Tap on unregister for upcoming events and tap on unregister on this box, and it will unregister. And by doing that, guys, you will have unregistered for any upcoming events which you had registered on the past on Google Play Store. And with that being said, guys, this is how to unregister for any upcoming events on Google Play Store. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.